Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am here with this warm tone Smokey eye using the Morphe 3502 palette. I really love how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And yeah, that's all I have to say. If you guys want to see how to get this look right here, let's go ahead and get started. To start off this look, I'm taking the shade Universal. It's a warm tone light brown shade, and I'm popping that directly into my crease to start off our look. Doing this really ensures that all the other shades you're going to be putting on after this will really blend nicely into that shade. Going into the shade Terracotta, it's more of a dark red-orange shade. I'm taking that with a more defined crease brush and popping this a little bit below that first shade that we use from inner to outer corner. I really like doing circular motions to blow the shade out and blend it nicely. Going back in with that first shade we used called Universal, I'm just popping that a little bit above that shade to blend everything nicely and so it still peeks through. Now with the shade Chestnut, it's a nice plum shade. I'm taking that same brush we just used and popping this directly into my crease, mainly focusing it on the outer corner. Going back in with a clean fluffy brush with no additional color, I'm making sure to blend out any of the harsh edges. Now going into the shade Brave, it's an even darker plum shade. I'm taking a pencil brush and popping this right on the outer corner for a little bit of definition. Going back in with that chestnut shade we used before, I'm making sure to blend out any of the harsh edges. Now with the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I'm taking Cypress Umbra and I'm popping this directly on my outer corner for a little bit more definition. Now with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, you can use any concealer for this. I'm taking a small brush and carving out the inside of my lid. Now with the shade Polish, it's a rosy shimmer shade. I'm taking that and applying this onto my lid where I put that concealer. Going back in with that dark brown shade, I'm making sure to blend them two shades together. Now finishing up the eyes, I'm going to be smoking at the bottom lash line, just going right into that first shade called Universal that we used earlier and smoking it from inner to outer lash line. And then lastly, going in with the shade Chestnut and doing the same thing. And then going right back in with that dark brown shade from the Anastasia palette, I'm just applying this right on that outer corner. With any black eyeliner, I'm just taking this and applying it in my waterline as well as tightlining. Now with any liquid eyeliner, this one is black, I'm just doing a small thin line just to blend in with my falsies. For them, I'm using the Ardell 250s. For blush, I'm taking this one by MAC in Modern Mandarin. It's a really nice orangey blush. Before I go ahead and do my highlight, I'm going to be spraying the Hard Candy Longwear Sheer Envy Setting Spray. And for highlight, I went with the Anastasia So Hollywood with my big body sponge from Real Techniques. I'm loving this one. It applies your foundation so quickly. I highly recommend. And lastly for lips, I'm taking this Deca Scarlet Duo. I'm taking the lip liner side in Tease. Then going in with the other side called Playa, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and of course subscribe down below. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!